In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to start drawing more complex cartoon noses. So we'll set the trusty potato nose aside for a moment, okay, and level up into some slightly fancier shapes. So the idea behind these two starting points is that you can either begin with the overall shape of the nose or just a part of it, the tip. So let's look at the first one, the overall shape method. In this case, you start by building the whole nose shape right away. So if it's going to be a skinny, then you draw something like this, a triangle-like form. If it's for a big bulky guy with a huge nose, then you probably start with a wider, more rectangular form. And from this first shape, you can already decide whether the nose is pointy or downturned. So if it's pointy, then you will see this bottom plane here. If it's downturned, then you won't see that bottom part at all, and you'd draw something more like this. And from there, you can start adding the details. Draw the outer lines of the nose. So here the tip is small and pointy. The other one is wider and bonier, so you'll naturally show more of the bridge lines. While the other method starts right at the tip of the nose. So draw 3 circles. I explained this method in detail in the full nose tutorial. 1 for the tip and 2 for the nostrils. And you build everything up from there. So you haven't even decided the bridge of the nose yet. So that comes next. Draw it in lightly, or if it's a bony nose, you can show more of those bridge lines. So in this approach, you start with the tip of the nose and build the overall shape later. Either way, you'll need to think about the parts of the nose, and I walk you through all of that in the full nose tutorial. We'll break down the basic shape a nose is made of, and once we get those down, it's way easier to stylize and exaggerate them and create fun cartoon noses. You'll see. Catch you in the full tutorial. Bye for now.